It started out as another ordinary day in Cedar Rapids. All I wanted to do was go get a bagel and a drink to finish off the day.
What can I get you?
Just want a bagel. You can choose one.
What kind of bagel is it?
Snake bagel.
Snake bagel.
Good.
Boy, I sure am hungry.
Wow, that's a hot bagel! Wow, he must be really hungry. Oh no!
Here's what I found when I returned.
Hey, what are you guys talking about? I don't know nothing about it. It was the leader of the Snake Gang. He did it. You can find him at 807 7th Avenue.
Don't! I'll get you kids. It's the last thing I do.
Uh-oh!
I think I had found the leader of the Snake Bagel Gang.
Hey, this room smells like socks!
You'll never catch me. I'm Snaky, the leader of the Snake Gang.
When I tried to approach him about what had happened with the Snake Bagel, he sped away.
If it wasn't for you meddling kids, I would have got away with it.
I'll take happy birthday, Darren.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It's not my birthday.
It is now. It is now.
That's crazy. What are you guys doing? Are you from California?
This is behind the scenes. This is how we did the special effects.
I like to use the red snakes. They're red. Everything has to be just right. We only have one chance at this.
Don't look at the camera though. Kind of like look off into space like you're happy and you're dreaming. The vehicle's pretty good.
We only have one shot at this because we only got 4 sparklers left.
Come on guys, let's make it work. Alright.
And we're running out of budget.
Get the beer can sitting up there.
Come on!